Hi friends, in this video I want to show how to install NUMPY in your Pydroid3 app. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Pydroid3 app. Okay, so you can look at that there is a Pydroid3 app. So I'm opening it, Pydroid3. So this is the Pydroid3 app. Okay, so I want to write a program that uses NUMPY to create arrays. So how do we do that is we import NUMPY as some alias name NP. Then we have to declare an array variable. So I am creating an array with the name ARR equals to np dot array. Array is the built-in function in NP, that is NumPy arrays, which has got a n-dimensional array class. So I want to create a one-dimensional array, so I am giving my values as 1 2 3 4 in square brackets, and later I want to print my array, so with simple print statement, print with ARR. So now I'm going to show the execution. So I'm clicking on the execution button, that is yellow color. Okay, so you can see here actually, so we got some kind of an error, that is module not found error. Okay, so what is saying, it is no module named NumPy. So what's the problem here is actually NumPy package is not installed in our app. So how to install NumPy into our Pydroid3 app? Okay, now I'll show you that. Okay, so in the menu bar there are 3 bars at the left side corner on top. Okay, so I will open that. So click on that 3 bars. So there is some kind of a menu is available here. You can see that there is a command called pip. Okay, so just select that pip. So it takes you to this kind of a window where it's asking to enter the library name that I want to install. So I will enter NumPy and clicking on install. Okay, you can see that it's saying that Pydroid repository plugin is missing. So what is this Pydroid repository plugin is? So there is a special kind of an app is there, supporting app for the Pydroid3. So wherein there are so many packages and modules are available, and one of the module is NumPy. So if I want to use NumPy, I have to install this plugin. So I'm clicking on get plugin. So it's taking us to the app store, that is Google Play. And look here, there is a Pydroid repository plugin. I'm clicking on install. So there are so many packages and modules are available. So whichever package or a module you want to include in your Pydroid3 app, okay, so you have to download this Pydroid repository plugin to your system. Then you have to install in your Pydroid3 app, then you can use it. Okay, so it's successfully installed. Okay, I'm opening it. Okay, we'll go to our app, Pydroid3 app. Okay, so it's automatically installing it. Okay, you can see that. So it's saying that NumPy is successfully installed with so and so version. So again we'll go back to our program. So I'm again executing my program. So just click on that yellow color button. Yeah, so now I got my output. So 1 2 3 4 is a one-dimensional array. So this is how you have to download your NumPy module and use it in your program, so that you can create a NumPy arrays. Okay, So now I try to change my program, okay, so that I can create my two-dimensional array. So how I can create my two-dimensional array is the same line of code. Okay, so I have to give another set of values to create a two rows. So I am putting an extra square bracket before that first set, then I am separating with comma, and I will write another set of values in square bracket like this, 5 6 7 8, and extra square bracket to close it. Then you can use the print statement to print your array. So I am writing print ARR. This is a two-dimensional array with 2 rows and 4 columns. Okay, so that's it, my friends. Okay, how to import your NumPy into your Pydroid3 app and create NumPy programs. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to install the Pydroid3 repository app. So that's it, my friends. So thank you for watching my video.